A lot of producers quit because they're not seeing results quick enough. They look around, they see other producers killing it and wondering why they're not having the same success. There's a few traits that successful producers have. You might have them already, or maybe you need to develop them, but if you've got them already, then this video will serve as confirmation that you're on the right path. What's going on, it's Casey, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I want to talk about 5 reasons why you will succeed as a music producer. Seen so many videos talking about why you fail, so I just wanted to flip it and just be positive and talk about things that you are doing or could be doing. So the first thing is mindset. Your mindset is so strong. Anyone comes to you with negative comments, negative feedback on your music, the beats that you're putting out, your mixes, you've developed such a strong mindset that it doesn't bother you and doesn't take away from what you're doing. It doesn't validate your existence because your validation comes from within. And you understand that it's just opinions, it's other people's faults, and you don't need to take that on because they haven't helped you to get where you are now. So it's not important. The second thing is persistence. You might have had some setbacks, you might not have got the support that you expected. Maybe you lost out on investments, maybe you've made beats, sent them out to artists, haven't heard nothing back from them, you've done mixes, took your time to do a mix, haven't been paid for it, but you keep going, you're still pushing forward because you know that these are just minor setbacks and you just know quitting ain't gonna speed up the process, so you're just gonna keep moving forward. The third thing is timeline. You understand that when it's your time to blow, you'll blow. It's like the popcorn analogy. You know, you put popcorn in the microwave, they don't pop at the same time, they pop in their own time. So you're okay with that. You're comfortable with knowing that your timeline and your process is for you, no one else's. You celebrate your small wins and you see the big picture because you have vision. The fourth thing is you're just so focused and disciplined. You understand that you're your own boss. You understand that you can't let distractions take you away from what you're doing, finishing off projects because you understand done is better than perfect. But don't get me wrong, this doesn't mean that you're putting out music that isn't up to par, because if you look around you and you listen to what's out, you know it's at a good level, a decent level. But at the same time, you understand that you have to get stuff done so you can progress and move forward. So when you look back, you can see how much you've grown. And the fifth thing I want to talk about is confidence in your ability. You're so confident in what you do, you know what you bring to the table, so you don't have to beg anyone to come and sit down and eat. I love memes, I love quotes. Promise, when you talk to me in person, I don't talk in quotes, but these are some of the things that I see on my Insta page or stuff that I post. It's just all positivity, good vibes and motivation. And you know it's God's plan, so whatever you're doing it's gonna work. Regardless of the time it takes, you're just gonna keep pushing. And these are the things, these are the healthy traits that you've developed, or these are the healthy traits that you've got, so you know that you're gonna be successful in what you do regardless of the time frame or when it happens. And most importantly, even though you're talented, you know that hard work beats talent when talent isn't working hard. Damn, another quote. Another quote. What am I like? Might change my name to Quote Killer. Yeah, producer and then Quote Killer. That could work. I could have mentioned how banging your beats are and how many networks you've made and how much beats you make a day that's going to make you successful, but I just wanted to come with a different approach. Just talk about mindset, which is one of the key things that's going to help you to become successful. So if you get that right, then everything else should flow because you've got the talent, you put in the work in, you just need to get your mind right. Yeah, I hope this video has helped you. If it has, hit that like button. If you're on Instagram, come find me, let's connect and let's continue to be the best at what we do. See you in the next video.